Time is a strange thing, isn't it? It never stops. It never waits. It just keeps moving forward, second by second, minute by minute, day by day. And just like that, most of this year has already slipped through our fingers. For some of us, it was a year of victories and accomplishments. But for many others, it was a year filled with regrets. A year of missed opportunities and goals that are still just dreams. Some of us reached for the stars and touched them, while others feel like they're still stuck at the starting line, watching everyone else race ahead. But no matter who you are or where you stand, one fact unites us all. There are only 60 days left in this year. So the real question is, what will you do with them? Will you let these precious 60 days drift away just like the rest of the year? Or will you seize this moment, this final chapter, and use it to change your life forever? It's a cycle we all know too well. At the end of every year, we find ourselves sitting down, reflecting, and asking that same old question. Where did all my time go? We make promises to ourselves, don't we? Next year I'll do better. Next year I'll work harder. Next year will be my year. But here's the hard truth. If you don't change right now, next year will be an exact copy of this one. Nothing will be different unless you decide to be different. Think of these last 60 days as a test. A final challenge presented to you by life itself. It offers you two clear choices. You can either keep waiting, keep procrastinating, keep telling yourself that you'll start tomorrow, or you can decide to take action right here, right now, and make something incredible happen. Now, let's be realistic. You can't change everything in your life in just 60 days. You can't undo a year of inaction in 2 months. But you can change the most important thing of all. You can change yourself. And when a person truly changes on the inside, their mindset, their habits, their discipline, their entire world begins to transform on the outside. You still have time. It might not feel like it, but you do. And more importantly, you still have an immense power hidden inside you. It's the power to rewrite your story, to change the narrative you've been living. But that power doesn't just wake up on its own. It awakens the moment you make a firm, unshakable decision. The moment you look in the mirror and declare, I will not give up. I will rise again. This is not how my story ends. Remember this. Success is not an event. It's a process. It isn't built in a single day of heroic effort. It's built brick by brick, through the small, seemingly insignificant decisions you make every single day. One right choice today, even a tiny one, can create a ripple effect that completely changes the course of your tomorrow. So I want you to imagine something with me. Just imagine if you dedicated these next 60 days entirely to yourself. Not to anyone else, not to distractions, but to you. Imagine giving just 1 hour every single day to your goals, your mind, and your body. Where would you be 60 days from now? How different would you feel? How much closer to your dreams would you be? The difference would be staggering. Every successful person you admire has faced a moment just like this one. A moment that felt like their last chance, a turning point where they had to choose between giving in or stepping up. And maybe, just maybe, this is your moment. This is your last chance for this year. This is your time to shatter your self-imposed limits, to grab the steering wheel of your life and change direction. But it only works if you start now. Don't fall into the trap of saying, I'll start in January. That's the biggest lie we tell ourselves. The new year, new me fantasy rarely works because it's built on a future promise, not present action. The truth is, those who start today are the ones who will be leading tomorrow. These 60 days will test your discipline. They will test your hunger for a better life. They will test the strength of your purpose. So you have to ask yourself a very honest question. Do I really want to change, or do I just like the idea of changing? Do I just like talking about it? If you're serious, then your actions must reflect it. Wake up a little earlier. Move your body. Go for a walk, hit the gym, do some push-ups. Learn something new every day. Read a book, listen to a podcast, watch a documentary. Fix your broken habits one by one. Feed your mind with positivity and knowledge. Focus your energy on what truly matters and cut out the noise. If you do this with consistency, just watch what happens in 2 short months. You won't even recognize the person you've become. People around you might doubt you. They might say, it's too late now. The year is almost over. But you can look them in the eye and say, these 2 months are not the end of my year. They are the beginning of my new life. Success doesn't come from giant, heroic leaps. It comes from small, consistent daily steps. If you just commit to moving forward even a little bit every single day, you can reach destinations that once felt completely impossible. Make this your new ritual. Every night before you sleep, ask yourself one simple question. Was I a little better today than I was yesterday? If the answer is yes, you're winning. You're on the right path. If the answer is no, don't beat yourself up. Just acknowledge it and decide to change one small thing tomorrow. Time is running out faster than we realize. You can spend these last 60 days making excuses, or you can spend them making history in your own life. The world doesn't remember the people who only dreamed of success. It remembers the people who went out and lived their dreams, who fought for them, who bled for them. This is your time. This is your chance. This is the moment where you can pick up the pen and rewrite the rest of your story. Don't waste these 60 days. Don't let them become just another forgotten memory. Make them your rebirth. When the last night of December arrives and you look back at these 2 months, you'll either be left with a pile of excuses or a heart full of pride. The choice is yours and yours alone. So stand up. Remind yourself who you are and what you're capable of. Life is waiting for you to show up. And these next 60 days are the door to your new beginning. Now it's up to you. Will you open that door? Or will you just stand there and let another year pass you by? If this message resonated with you, give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more motivation to fuel your journey. And in the comments below, declare your commitment. Right, I am starting my 60-day transformation today. Let's start this journey together. Thank you for watching.